Hello everyone, welcome to Afro Guitar Tab series, and today we'll be looking at one particular song, Dumebi by Afrobeat Prince, Rema. And the song is kind of tricky, it has a lot of tricky chords in it. And I would say this is the most accurate, score you will ever find online, because I reached out to Ozedikus himself and he sent me the MIDI file of the song. Yeah, Ozedikus actually produced the song and he sent me the MIDI file. Big shout out to Ozedikus for sending me that, and I had to pay attention to everything he played note for notes, so it's like scoring exactly what you hear in the song. So I was able to write a guitar version of the song, and yeah, we'll dig into it now. Okay, so guys, this song was on the key of F sharp, and so we achieved that by putting the capo on the 4th fret of the guitar. So now we'll be thinking like D. You guys should understand the capo concept, yeah. But anyways, so the chords used are your E minor 9, yeah, as you can see on the screen, your F sharp dominant 7, your B minor add 9, your A minor 7, yeah. Then the next part of this, the progression, you have your G major 7. Then the next chord is your F sharp 7, but this time around a flat 9. So it's a dominant 7 flat 9. Then your B minor at 9. And your A minor 7. Very easy. So my thumb, then my thumb 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for E minor 9. And your F sharp dominant 7. You have your thumb, then this 3. That's your 1, 2, 3. Then you go to your B minor at 9. Same thing. There's your thumb, then your same thing for A minor 7. Go to your G major 7, do the same thing. Your thumb, then your 3. Now your F sharp 7 flat 9, you have your thumb, but now this one, your thumb together with your 3, so you have. Then you go back to your B minor at 9, and your A minor 7. One more time. So normal speed 110. So guys, that was Dumebi by Rema. Very tricky song, but it's learnable. Just take your time, it will get easier as time goes on. Feel free to rewind the video if you have any difficulty anywhere, slow things down. And if you're wondering why I used to play my guitar, I was using a tone tool. So check it out in Rainbow Fingers shop. And yeah, if you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a must, I beg. Yeah, and feel free to comment, share to your friends and family, and just do everything positive in the video, like and so on and so forth. So see you guys next song score. I'll be with you soon.